hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to implement database notifications in Laravel with a real practical example. So now, usually when we use Laravel notification, we send email notification, right? But for example, when a user is assigned to a task, we simply do something like user notify and just simple send an email. But did you know that Laravel notification also support database notification, which mean instead of sending only emails, you can store notification in the database as well and show them inside your application as internal bell notification. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a complete internal notification system in Laravel using database notification. I just simply give you the overview and that's it enough for your idea. Okay, so now I'm logging here with a user that name is user. Okay, and now here in the task section I have options of creating a task. Okay, so I just simple here do is like I just simple create a task, and when I assign a task to a user, a notification is saved in the database. So I just simple create here a task, and I'll just pass here Angular JS, uh, and in this I just pass here JS framework. Okay, and here I just simple select the user that I have in my side, and I'll from here I just simply select here Kevin and just simple click on assign task. Now here you can see it is showing me here in the success message that task assigned and notification sent. And also I'll show you from the database, and this is my database, and I'll just simple open the notification table, and here you can see I have this in the data task ID and assigned by user and message as well. Here all the data here in the notification table that I am storing, and also I'll show you from the code side. But before that, I'll just simple open already open another user account in another browser. So I just simple open it, and I'll just simple reload it, and now here you can see now this user have another task, and this is the task that we added, and it is also showing me here the time and assigned by user, and it is coming from the database. And also in the bell notification it is showing me the count of unread notifications here. So we can do in it many things as well, and also I'll show you from the code as well. Basically, this is my task controller, and in this one I'm storing this task data in the task table. What I do is here in normal when we send an email, we just simple pass a user notify. Okay, but now here within it I just simple whenever we call this user notify, Laravel automatically grab the array from our toArray method and convert it into JSON, and save it in the data column of the notification table, and link it to the specific user ID. I'll show you from this. This is basically task assigned is the notification class, that is this, and here within it you can see from this toArray method it convert it into JSON and store this in the notification table. So this is the basically thing, and that's it for storing and implementing this database notifications. Here we can do in it many things as well. So if you want to understand that how notification work in Laravel and how you can use to build internal notification, this overview is good, and this is it. We can do in it many things as well, so you can use this in your own project and according to your own scenarios, and you can customize in it many things as well. So I hope this give you a clear idea of complete flow, and I hope you understand how you can implement this in your project, and that's it. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.